All right, let's get to the point. If you've been sitting around waiting for a sign to start making money online, this is it. I'm about to show you how to use ChatGPT to start earning within an hour, within the next hour. Seriously. Here's the step-by-step game plan. Step 1, choose a business model. And don't worry, I've already picked one for us for this example, affiliate marketing. Now, before you roll your eyes and say, I've tried it, it didn't work for me, hear me out. It's not that the affiliate marketing is broken. It's probably the way you were doing it that wasn't working. We're fixing that today. Step 2, open ChatGPT and type this in. What are the top affiliate marketing networks or marketplaces? You'll get a list back. Names like ClickBank, Digistore24, Share a Sale, CJ Affiliate, all solid platforms. Now, step 3. Sign up to 2 or 3 of those platforms. And once you're in, have a look around and choose a product. It can be anything. It can be about fitness, pets, money stuff, productivity, whatever sounds interesting to you. Now, you don't have to be an expert in any of those. You just need to be willing to follow the process and follow the instructions. Step 4 is go to that product's affiliate page. Look for the section within the product description and tools. Copy all of that info. Then go back to ChatGPT and say, write me a 2 to 3 minute TikTok or Instagram script to promote this affiliate product. Here are the details. And then paste what you copied there. ChatGPT will literally spit out a ready-to-go video script for you. Ask it for a couple of different versions and you're golden, like maybe 2 or 3 different versions. Then step 5, it's time to record this. Download the CapCut app. It's free. It's what I'm using as well. And inside CapCut, you'll find a built-in teleprompter. Upload your script there, set up your phone, and just read it off the screen. Easy, like what I'm doing basically now. And if you're camera shy, don't worry, no stress. Use an AI voice and some stock footage instead. But if you're okay with showing your face, you'll probably get faster results. Step 6, post your video. Throw it up on TikTok, post it on Instagram Reels, and if you're feeling really brave, add it to YouTube Shorts too. But start with 1, then rinse and repeat. Use the 2nd and 3rd script versions that ChatGPT gave you. Aim for 2 or 3 videos a day if you can. Don't overwhelm yourself. But remember this, the more content equals more eyeballs, equals more clicks, equals more chances for commissions. Because every time somebody clicks on a link, you're going to get a commission. Step 7, this is the important part, you have to add your affiliate link to your bio. That's the special tracking link you get from the affiliate site that's personal to you. Pop it into your TikTok and your Instagram bios. So when someone watches your video, you're going to refer them to click on the link in your bio, and that's the link that you're going to get paid from. Here's a bonus tip for you. If you're running out of content ideas, just ask ChatGPT, can you give me 3 more video scripts for this product, the one you pasted before? And it'll keep going. You'll never run out of ideas. If you want to see me break this all down step by step, actually show you my screen and how I do it, type more info in the comments. Follow this profile and check the link in my bio. There's a free group that'll help you earn even faster. Let's do this. Let's go get this money.